It's good. Continue running. Keep on running, run and be going. And be going. Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen. Igbo Queen Sono. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, igboticnono, your Igbo teacher. The girl that has had time to teach you Igbo language. See, if you're passing this channel for the first time and you saw my thumbnail and you clicked on it and you're not subscribed to this channel, my sister, I don't know what to say. My brother, I don't know what to say. Okay, welcome guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about proverbs in Igbo language. Yeah, most often people enjoy to use these proverbs in Igbo language, or let me just say, if you hear somebody using it, so you won't be caught up. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, so you can at least know what they're talking about. And these proverbs makes more sense when you hear it makes more sense when you know the explanation. Do you understand what I'm saying? And number one here is akanni kwa akebe. Akebe akwa akanni. This one loud, abi. Akanni kwa akebe. Akebe akwa akanni. Basically, what this means is, if you help me with this hand, I help you with the other hand. It basically means what you're doing for another person, in turn, you will get something equivalent to that. Do you understand? It basically means, if you do for me, I do for you. Bad. Like they're doing for only you alone. You don't want to remember the person, right? No. I can't require care. If you do for me, I do for you. It's as simple as ABCD. Do you understand? And number two here is Obuhika akilu sato kusada. Obuhika akilu sato kusada. I love this one. This one has much explanation. Not like others don't have, but this one is like, you don't stay outside and be admiring what you don't know or what you have not tasted. Do you understand? Cola nut, when you chew it, the sound, if you're beside someone that is chewing cola nuts, basically you will enjoy the sound. Like when you hear the sound, you feel like eating the cola nuts because of the way it sounds. Like it has this sound that makes you get interested or makes you want to join the person to eat the cola nuts, right? If you hear this sound and possibly you want to eat and the person shares this cola nut with you, if you taste the cola nut, you will throw it away. Like it's not tasty at all, it's very bitter, but the way it sounds when it's being chewed is so that is just basically it. The other way around is, you don't stay outside and be saying you want to be like this person and you don't know what the person is going through inside that place he or she is. Most importantly, if I just want to crown this proverb, I'll just say it basically means be contented with what you have. Don't use because of what you're saying to just X your own self or stay your own self that you're not doing any better. Do you understand? Just be contented. In fact, all this explanation I just made now, it just basically means be contented. Another one here is nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ichetere aka. It was sweet. It was sweet. Nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ichetere aka. This one they're singing now. Adulthood na scam. Adulthood na scam. Like when you're small, you want to grow, abi. When you now grow, you now want to be small because of so many responsibilities that is just in front of you. Not is waiting, is in front of you, and you're growing with those responsibilities. But when you were small, what you just want is, daddy buy me this, daddy buy me that. You don't know what is happening. You don't know that the currency is high. You don't know that Nigeria is inflated. You don't know anything. You don't understand anything. You're just at the back. You see anything, you're like, mommy, I want this, daddy, I want this, and possibly they get it for you, and you don't know how they got it to. You don't know if she has sold one of her wrapper to get it for you. You don't know, basically. That is nwata akwọ n'azụ amaghị na ichetere aka. You don't understand anything. You just enjoy it. You don't understand. You don't know what is going on. So that is basically ọkụkọ nyụọ arụ ala achụ ya ọsọ. Ọkụkọ nyụọ arụ ala achụ ya ọsọ. This basically means, you know, when you do something bad, you use your hand chase yourself. Like if you do something bad in this environment, nobody has even caught you doing the thing bad. Like nobody knows you even did something bad, but because you know you did something bad, naturally you use your hand and be chasing yourself. Ọkụkọ nyụọ arụ ala achụ ya ọsọ. You did something bad, nobody has told you to stop coming, nobody has told you anything, but basically willingly on your own you disappear from the environment. I mean, nobody is seeing you again, nobody knows your whereabouts, and possibly we don't then self, nobody even knows what you have done yet though. It will not be later that shit that you shit will start to smell, and people will not know that, oh, okay, this is what you did apparently that made you to stop coming here. Oh, this is what you did that is chasing you away from this environment. Oh, okay, it's good, continue running, keep on running, run and be going. So that's basically it. Ụkwa ruo oge ya ọ daa. Ụkwa ruo oge ya ọ daa. Ụkwa is a very big, expensive, rich Igbo delicacy. Like if you're eating okwa on a daily, it means you hold color. If you're eating okwa on a daily, then you have family of 5 and you're feeding on okwa on a daily. You're big shot. Okwa is a breadfruit. English name is breadfruit, and it's Nigeria rich African Igbo culture delicacy on the expensive side. If you're doing a traditional marriage now, you're doing a ceremony, and you cook 1 pot of okwa. 1 cup of okra now should be about 1,000 something, if I'm not saying. 1 cup, that tiny cup, 100 ml, is about 1 cup of 1,000 something now. Yeah. Okwa loge ya, or that means in this life, allow nature to take its part. Like when it's time for something to happen, that thing will happen. Don't be too fast. Don't be too fast to run into trouble to get what you desire to get. Just chill. When it's your own turn for that good thing to come to you, for you to buy that car, for you to build that house, for you to travel, you know, stuff like that. So long you're working hard, when it's time, it will happen, and it will surely happen. You don't have to be so much in a haste. And this okwa, you know, they pluck them. They don't pluck this breadfruit. It's always very high top on the tree. Yes, and it's whenever this breadfruit is ready to fall, that is when it's going to fall. You cannot pluck it with stick. It's not. You don't pluck it like mango or pear. Whenever it is ready to fall, it will fall, and it's usually very high. So you don't even want to suffer yourself to climb that tree and reach there and be pushing it. It won't even fall. And when it falls like this, if you hear the sound, boom. If you living around the area, you know that breadfruit has fallen. You just tell your mother or your grandmother anything. Mama, okwadago paketaro. Okwadago. Okwadago, mama. It means mama, the breadfruit has fallen. They can go and pick it and of course bring out the seeds and prepare it. That is it. Okwaruge or that. You don't pluck breadfruit, so you wait for it to fall and you catch it. That's basically what it means. So it's referring to life too. Just take it easy. When it's time for something to happen, it will happen. Just don't be too fast and run into trouble. Ebe onyo soru onyi jigeru. Ebe onyo soru onyi jigeru. This one is almost like what I just said in the last one, but it also has its own meaning. Yes. Ebe onyo soru onyi jigeru. Just like now, right? I've grown. I'm here, and that person that I gave 10 years gap will also grow and join me and be here. And we'll be doing the same thing at this stage, because that's his life. You're in secondary school and the other person is in university, and the person finishes university and is working and is married and is taking care of family. You're in secondary school, right? You still get to that point when you're married and you're taking care of family. So both of you are doing the same thing. Do you understand? You are doing the same thing. Everyone also another meaning of it is it will not be faster. You should not be faster than your shadow. You want to ride Benz, and you've not gotten money for Benz. You now want to follow the other way around, that is very fast and very deadly, just to drive that Benz. If you take time and work hard, you will still drive that Benz. You still drive that Benz. So guys, this is basically it. This is the proverbs we have in Igbo language, and we have so many of them. If you enjoyed this video, please let me see your comment in the comment section. And if you want to hear more of these proverbs in Igbo language and their meaning, obviously, please put them in the comment section. Tell me and I'll be here to deliver. If you have another video you want me to come up with in Igbo language or anything, in fact anything, just like I did the other video, a subscriber asked me to do a video on how to flirt in Igbo language. I delivered, but the thing that you guys don't ask me to kill myself, I will not even do that, okay? So guys, thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, obviously, of course, subscribe. Your subscription gets me going, okay? So have a lovely day. Bye.